Hey, how you doing? Guys, I want to show you something. I don't know, I'm not sure if this will show up on camera or not, but if you're out fishing in a kayak or a boat, look for something of this nature. Look at how there's a shelf right there on these crustacean pods that drop straight down. It's cut in. 20. Like I was saying, when you're sheephead fishing, or even redfish as well, see how that's got, it's cut out. It's the current came through and wore out the look at that, y'all. Yep. Reason why I say you want to look for that drop off. Look at that. Shoot another drop off over here. Yeah. Right here. See how it just drops off straight down? Now what happens is those fish, they'll sit there and feed where the current's been whittling away at the old stuff, and it'll expose new crustaceans for the fish to eat, and it also provides cover. They'll sit down along the side of it and just sleep right up next to it, nice and safe. But anyways, that's a great location to find sheepshead, and lots of them. What is this? What is this monster? Good Lord. Oh yeah. Come here. Let me talk to you. Ugh. Nice. All right. Look at that. First sheepy of the morning. Hopefully not the last. That is a dinner plate. Look at that, y'all. That is a dinner plate. Yeah. Man, I love it. Let's go. Got him on what? That fiddler crab. Cool, man. Cool, brother. All right. Thank you, sir. I knew I'd find a good spot. Oh, that's a nice sheephead. Whoa. Whoa, Jack. Get back, Jack. Wow. Okay. That'll work. Look at that bad boy. All right, calm down, calm down. Hey, this is a chill party, dude. What are you doing? Hey. All right. I think we're gonna measure this one. I don't think we need to, but look at that. Hi-ya. All right, let's go. We're gonna post up here for a minute. Okay, where are we at? He is 16 and a half. Not bad. We're getting bigger. 16 and a half. Put your tail down. 16 and a half if you pinch that together. Right. Cool, man, cool. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. That's what's up. Alright, they're getting bigger. That's good, good, good. Yeah, got a bonus fish here. Wasn't even expecting that, to be honest with you. Look at that mangrove snapper on you. How about that? Hey, come here. There might be a bunch of them here because I'm getting all these weird bites that I'm not used to this time of year. There might be mangrove snappers. All right, he's gonna go back. All right, that was cool. Okay, looks like we're into something now. All right, we are finding them. Couldn't find them yesterday, but we got them today, boys. Looky here. Come on. All right. Let's go, let's go. I'm not even in my spot yet. Yeah, I'd say this one's probably 17. Look at that, guys, right on the lip. That fiddler crab. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. We're gonna throw for a red here in a minute. Try to tuck it way up in there. Yeah, that was a little bit too far. Reel it in nice and slow, and then that's what happens. Little trick there. Come on, fish. Come on. One more cast. Ooh. Struggling this morning. Come on. Oh, there he is. He's on. Look at that little guy. That's a little guy. All right, we'll catch him. All right. Look at that little. Can I call him a prick? Because he's pricking me. There he goes. Oh yeah. Another nice sheep. Guys, the bite has been really slow today, but we do have a mess of fish. I worked my tail off for him, though, I'll tell you that. Man, come on, get up here. Whew. This guy. Come on, dude. He's been stealing my... I bet you there's one fish down there, and he's the one. He's the one who's been stealing my bait. All right, come here. He's a keeper. I'm so tired, I can't even think about how many inches he is. Let's check him. He's legal. 13. That's what a 13-inch sheephead looks like, y'all. All right. I think we're at 4. I'm not sure. Put this back. Right. Yeah, that's the one I want right there. Let me loosen my drag a little bit. I just ripped one out of the lip just a minute ago. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a fatty. Come on, fatty. Look at that. Fat boy on a diet. Don't try it. Smoke your tail like a loader on a riot. Come on. Yes! That's, I don't know, a 17 maybe? That's a nice one, guys. Look at that. That's a nice sheephead. Let's get him up here, take a better look. It's funny because I just reeled it in, and the last fish that struck, look at that. Wow, nice. Measure him here. But the last one I just pulled in, it crushed. Here's my hook. It crushed it. I had to get my pliers out and open it back up. Anyway, get this bad boy up here. Check it out. Here's your mouth. Ah, no way. He's only 15. Hey, but I'll take it. That's a fat one, though. Cool, man. I'm stoked. Oh, yeah. Got us a nice one. Got us another nice one. Oh, yeah, that's a keeper. All right, come on. It's crazy. All the sheep's head is just in this one. All right, come here. He's all right. He's not nothing to write home about. But that's a nice one. Here, I'll show you. Look at this. Here's sheepy, 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 sheepy. Well, these make really good pan fries. Put some blackening seasoning on this one. You know that's right. We're gonna make him a nice. I can get a couple drum. Ooh, that's a nice sheep right there. That's a nice sheep. Wow. I thought that was a snook already. Hit it so hard. Oh. Look at this dude coming back over. Don't be coming over here now, dude. You see me catching fish, now you gonna come over here? Don't do it. Look at that, guys. That's a nice sheep. That's a nice sheep. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, guys, here we go. Sheep number 7 or 8. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh, I like them. All right. Here we go. Here we go. All right. I think we're limited out right there. We still got a few fiddler crabs. Maybe we'll stick around and... Oh, well, there goes that. We'll have to re-rig. All right, guys, here we go. This is my personal best that I think I've ever caught. That's no push. That's right up against my face. I haven't measured him yet, but he's probably somewhere, he might be over 20. All right. Clean them up for you a little bit. Well, here we go, guys. My personal best hook and line. It's a 20-inch sheephead. Like and subscribe. If you like the videos that I'm putting out, give me the thumbs up and smash that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Once again, my personal best, Scuba Steve's personal best. Look at that. Why don't you know I had this coffee in this kayak all day. Now that I'm ride home, I found my coffee. And I'm glad because I need it. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. And any other videos I've made in the past. Like always, if you have not hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you once again.